Shoo! Go away! Shoo! 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 This thing doesn't care. This thing doesn't care. Holy crap. As if I'm ever gonna put my feet back out there. Oh my gosh. I'm never leaving the door of the garage open ever again. That place is full of bird food. And a container. Is it too scared to go all the way up this time? All right. No more food in the feeder. Nope. No more food in the feeder. I just scared this thing away. And there it is, stuffing its face. It doesn't care. It's not even afraid anymore because it knows I'm not coming. It's too smart. Shoo! Shoo! Look at that. It's just looking at me. I'm telling it to shoo. It knows I'm not coming outside, so it's just standing there eating. Go! Shoo! My gosh. It's not even afraid. Like, I'm not going back outside. Forget that, Joe. I'm never going back outside. Shoo! Look at that. It's not even paying attention to me. Shoo! Shoo! Let me throw something at it.